Okay, second example I have taken here, x by 10 plus y by 5 plus 1 is equal to 15, and second part of this equation is x by 10 plus y by 6 is equal to 15. So we have got two equations here, but we can see that the coefficients are in fractional form, so it is better to reduce them in standard form by taking LCM. First, we will reduce the given equations in their standard form by taking LCM. So LCM of 10 and 5 is 10, and it is equal to x plus 2y is equal to 15 minus 1. This 1 here, this 1 is taken to the right side to yield 14. 15 minus 1 is equal to 14. So finally we get an equation x plus 2y equal to 140. This is first equation. Similarly, when we take the second equation, which is x by 10 plus y by 6 equal to 15, after taking LCM, the LCM of 10 and 6 is 30. So after calculation we get 3x plus 5y divided by 30 is equal to 15. So after cross multiplication we get 3x plus 5y is equal to 450. Okay, so we have got two equations in their standard form. Now we will apply the method of elimination by equating coefficients. As I have told you, we can either make the coefficient of x equal, or we can opt making the coefficients of variable y equal. That will be your choice. So here I have tried to make the coefficient of x equal. You can do it for y also, there is no problem. So in the first equation the coefficient of x is, there is no coefficient visible here, so we will consider it as plus 1. And in the second equation coefficient of x is 3. So what is the step? Next step is to find the LCM of the coefficients of variable x. So LCM of 1 and 3 is 3. So try to make the coefficients of x in both of these equations equal to 3. So what to do? If we multiply equation 1 by 3, the coefficient of x will become 1 into 3, that is 3. And if we multiply the second equation with 1, because here x coefficient of x is 3, it is already 3, so we have to multiply it with the number 1, so that we will get 3x plus 5y equal to 450. So see how I have done here. X plus 2y equal to 140, and this is multiplied with 3, and the second equation is 3x plus 5y equal to 450, because here in this step you can see the variable x is having 3 as coefficient, and it is equal to LCM, so we will multiply it with 1. So after multiplication we get two forms of the equation. 3x plus 6y, when this first equation is multiplied with 3, we get 3x plus 6y equal to 420. X is multiplied with 3 first term, then 2y is multiplied with 3, 6y, and 140 is multiplied with 3 to give 420. And the second equation is multiplied with 1, and we know that if a number or if any term is multiplied with 1, the product is the same number or the term. So these are the two equations now. 3x plus 6y equal to 420 and 3x plus 5y equal to 450. We have equated the coefficient of x, and we can see that in both of these two equations the coefficients are in same sign, so we have to subtract the two equations. So when we subtract, the sign will be changed. So my plus 3x becomes minus 3x, and plus 5y becomes minus 5y, and 450 becomes minus 450. So after subtraction we get 3x 3x is cancelled out, these two 3x cancelled out, and we are left with 6y minus 5y, 6y minus 5y is equal to y, and right side is also subtracted. So 420 minus 450, 420 minus 450 is equal to minus 30. Okay, so y equal to minus 30. We got the value of y. Now we will substitute this value of y equal to minus 30 in any of the two equations, either in equation 1 or equation 2 we can put. So now I have put here the value of y in equation 1. Equation 1 was x plus 2y equal to 140. So when y is put minus 30, we will get x plus 2 into minus 30 is equal to 140. Okay. So after simplifying, we will get x minus 60 here, x minus 60, minus 60 means 2 into minus 30 is minus 60. So x minus 60 equal to 140, and x will be equal to 140 plus 60, because 60 is taken to the right side, and when a term is taken to the right side from left side, the side changes, it means sign will also change. So 140 plus 60 is equal to 200. So in this way we got the value of x as x equal to 200. So these are the two values, the values of the variable x equal to 200 and y equal to minus 30 is the solution of the given equation.